I've been hounding your people for quite some time.
Where are we sitting?
This
Mr. Zardari's personal agenda is the NRO, the National Reconciliation Order, under which the cases filed by Mr. Musharraf in the Swiss courts have been withdrawn, and the money has simply disappeared, which belongs to the state and the people of Pakistan. One, Mr. Musharraf had no authority under the law to withdraw those cases, and two, where is the money?
But I do bigger look stories, like larger pieces, trying to give some continues in terms of...
You've seen the situation with your own eyes for the last 2 days. Ever since the judgment has come out, I think there is a turmoil in this country, which of course is not good for democracy, for any democratic country.
Your party being linked to the religious party, which is why I wanted to tackle this. When I did this...
On the Indian issue, they have never briefed the opposition. They have never taken them into confidence. Now, what investigations have been carried out? What is the outcome of these investigations? The opposition has never been taken into confidence. So, in fact, I said to the Prime Minister once, and I also spoke to the Foreign Minister of Pakistan, well, you must take the opposition into confidence. You must share all the information and the intelligence information that you receive from various sources. Let us sit down together and let us have a joint strategy.
That's why I wanted you to respond to it, but you wouldn't let me. But that's why I wanted you to respond to it, because in fact, when I...
It cannot concentrate on these very big issues that we are confronted with. You see, we have issues in the tribal area. We have this big issue in Swat area. We have a very ugly situation on our eastern borders. You see, after the Bombay killings, Pakistan is facing, big problems, not only vis-a-vis India, but also other countries where now pressure is mounting on Pakistan. And I think these are issues where the nation has to stand together. We have stood with the government on these issues. We have cooperated with the government on these issues. But the thing is that the government should also extend its own hand of cooperation towards the opposition and other political parties.